Welcome to the Axiom Print YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to install a feather angled flag with ground stakes. Our flags come with reusable hardware and a small bag to store them in. The hardware is compatible for Econo flags, teardrop flags, and feather convex flags due to its bendable flexibility. First, you will put together the pole set as demonstrated in the video. Once the rods are set, insert them in the pocket of the flag and push it all the way to the top. Then you can fasten it with an attached clip. Next, you will need a hammer, grass, and ground stake. Hammer down the ground stake as shown in the video. Then place the flag over the ground stake and you are ready to go. Uninstalling is also quick and easy. Simply remove the flag from the ground stake and place it on the floor. Slowly pull the pole sets out of the flag pocket and store them in the carry-on bag. Thank you for watching. To navigate our product selection, visit our website at axiomprint.com or call us at 747-888-7777.